Hi and welcome to Outwell. In this film we're going to show you how to attach the awning conversion kits for the Willflake 7 and the Willflake 5. What we've got here is the Willflake 7, but what we show you is the exact same process for the Willflake 5. Once the front door has been attached, we're just going to peg out the front of it, then we'll open up the centre panel to go in and attach the ground sheet. Once we've placed the ground sheet on the inside, we're just going to come to the outside and peg it into position. Now that we've pegged the ground sheet, the final thing to do is just close down the door, and then we're going to take the guy lines out and peg them.